Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, we are going to show you how to add audios or voiceover to your videos by using Canva. So here is our video which we have edited earlier by using Canva. Now I'm going to add some audios and voiceover to this video. First of all, we will go to the audio section of Canva and there are so many audios available. You can use any of these in your video. If you don't want to use these audios, you can upload your own voiceover or audios into the upload section. So here I have my own voiceover which I have uploaded in Canva and I'm going to use this. Okay, so you see the blank space here? We will split it and delete it. Here I have deleted the extra and now it's perfect. Now I'm going to add some background music, but first we have to delete some more blank spaces here. So you see the blank space here, we are going to delete this as well. First we will split it and then we are going to delete it. In this way you can edit your audios in the Canva as well, along with your videos. Now I'm also going to add some background music for my video. Here I'm going to reduce the sound so the voiceover will be clear. Okay, let's see. Hello and welcome to my channel Drama Queen. कभी सुना है आपने एक जिस्म का? Now it's perfect. So you see, it's quite easy in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.